First thing you're going to do is you're going to remove these two push pins on the cowl panel here. Stick a screwdriver in between them. Go ahead and take a towel, clean up this area right here just to get any debris off of it. If you have a performance pack bar, go ahead and clean that up as well. On the bottom of the cover, we've got a Velcro strip on one side, and we've got a removable spacer and 3M dual lock piece on the other side. If you don't have the performance pack, you can go ahead and remove that. That way you don't see it when it's installed. This car has it, so we're going to go ahead and leave it on. Go ahead and line up the holes in the back. I like to go ahead and stick these in first, just so you know that you've got them lined up right. And then press down firmly to stick the Velcro and the dual lock to the car.